Focus. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello. My fingers are cold. Welcome if you are new. On today's episode of what am I putting on my face, I want to do another pinky look. And I tried looking for another one, and honest to God, like I came up with a couple, but then I settled on this one, and it's one from ColourPop. And I know what you're saying, another one from ColourPop. I feel like more than half of my palettes are ColourPop palettes. I don't know if I should do a video where I show you like all of my palettes, because I don't even know where all of my palettes are. But here she is, in case you didn't see my previous video from what, forever ago, about this palette. Is this not cute? But like, hear me out. I'm not here for her. I'm here for her. Like, this color is what drags me in. And the browns. I want to do like a pinky brown kind of color look. Color story? I was going to say color story on my eyes. You know what I mean though, right? Sort of. Yeah. Anywho, that's what I'm doing today. So if that's your vibe, stick around, because we're going to be doing that. Let's pull back. I don't really have too much hair to pull back today, thank goodness. So just a little bit of little bulbous hairs. Everything else is pretty much on. I came in with a primer. I'm using this Milani eyeshadow primer. Doing pretty good so far. A lot comes out though, like the teeniest little squeeze, and it's just like, wow. Be careful. And also, in case I haven't learned from the previous videos, this is a ColourPop palette. Take your time, be careful, because ColourPop is, that's right, pigmented. As if I don't need to tell myself. There's a mirror in here, but I'm gonna, how do I was gonna use my handheld mirror, but I was like, let me just take this out and use this. Oh gosh. Does anybody ever use the mirrors in here? Do I? I don't think I ever have. How do I? Am I supposed to do this like the day I get it and take the little protector off because I didn't? And now I don't know if I can. It's a sticker, right? I'm assuming. Okay, yeah. I cannot, so we will not. So I'm just going to leave that on there. Yeah, I can work with that. It's just a little blurry. It's fine. But anywho, coming in with a big fluffy brush, I'm going to do a transition shade. Do I want to do Make Waves or Boardwalk? Like a brown or a pinky color? I'm torn. I'm a little torn. I definitely want to do this one. Zuma Beach? Yeah, I want to do that one. Oh, Let's Go Party is really cute. Like, I'm like, I don't want to do any glitter. I just want to do mattes. But like, how often do I always start out like, I don't like glitter. I don't want to do glitter. Like, glitter's not my thing. I'm in love with mattes. And then I got shimmer, glitters, you name it. It's on there. Make Waves. We'll do Make Waves. Because I'm kind of tan-ish. Well, not tan, but, you know, the color of my skin. So I figured that'll be okay. I'm just going to come and like stamp it right along my crease. Can I see it from my other mirror too? Yeah. Now once I kind of plopped it in here very messily on here. So it'll show up here on the outside of my lid, like my brow bone, and then a little bit on my lid too. It kind of just falls down there, which is perfect because I want it to go everywhere. Then I come in with a teeny tiny, I mean, you could do the windshield wiper thing, the little one, or like a big one. I like to come in and do teeny tiny little circles. Back and forth. Very chill. Sometimes drag it down to where I want it to be. Because I want it to come down here. Part of me wants to do like a whoosh kind of a look, but I'm like, you know, like a pointy look. But I feel like for a pinky brown look, not necessarily for a Valentine's Day look, it's like soft and kind of like fluffed out a little bit. That's what I'm going for. Just soft, fluffy other eye. And remember, pata pata, pata pata, until you get the color you want or the amount of buildup you want. And then work it around, soft those edges out, blend it. Huge blend it, little blend it. Then, I'm torn, like, cause I like Boardwalk, but I also like Let's Go Party. So I have like a still kind of fluffy, but more close together, like a denser, fluffier brush. Does that make sense? A little bit. But I'm like, we could just do both. But I want to do like an all over lid look too. Let's do Boardwalk. Let's just do Boardwalk. Come in, tap off any excess because ColourPop is pigmented. And then I'm gonna come in down here, and I like to start on the outside, the outer edge, the outside of my eye. We want to do all of the eyeshadow on the outside of the eye, just in case anyone's wondering. And reminder to myself also, but come on the outside right here, the outer edge of your eyelid, and then work it in. See how far you want to bring it in, because that's a nice color. That is a cute color. Blush. Other side. Pat it down. I like pat and drag. Does that, I mean, like, you can drag, buff, swoosh like that, or you can pat and do the same thing. I mean, it's really up to you and your comfort level. This eye over here is my sensitive eye, so we do a little bit of both, a little bit of everything. Lid. Ooh. Look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna add more color. Like we're a little over the halfway mark, I feel. And then when I drag it over towards like the inner corner of my eye too, it just kind of shears it down. So it's still there, but big light. We're good. That's good. And then I bring it all the way up. And this isn't so much as like a tan, it's more orangey on my skin, the Make Waves, but still really cute. I love how it kind of goes together with that. Remember the ombre, the sunset eyes kind of trend? That is what this is giving me right now. I like it. Do I want to add a little bit of Let's Go Party though? Like just a smidge? Just a smidge. Like right here? What, like, how are we gonna turn out? Just a little bit. Can I blend over top of this one? Just a little bit. Oh, yeah, that's nice. That is nice. Remember, bring it all the way up to the tippity top of your lid, right there. Up in there, up in here, up in here. That is nice. Kind of fluff it on there, fluff it together. Ooh, that is cutesy. That's cutie. That's cute, duty. The thing is, I want to come in with this brown to deepen up the outer parts of my eye. But like, I don't know how much now, because originally I was like, we're gonna go hard on this one, Zuma Beach, like just, but now, oh, that noise was uncalled for, but back on track. But now I'm like, oh, look at that, look at that. Can we just take it easy, because I want to kind of come on my lash line on the top. Oh, we got to bring some of this color down here too, don't forget. And then maybe a little bit of like the outer V, just a smidge. I say that a lot, I know, but like, hear me out. And I'm gonna come in here and just drag it along a little bit. And remember, because this is ColourPop, it is pigmented, so we're gonna go a little bit at a time, and then generally add more. I like this brush because it kind of reminds me of like a pudgy little stubby paintbrush. Perfect. Just a dab in a little bit. Looks pretty good. Okay. If I had tape on, which like I love tape, or if you're wanting to do like a liner, I would definitely recommend brown for a softer look. Here's my dog Spark of the Storm. Okay. Yeah, it's a little bit deeper, darker, dramatic than I was thinking, but well, on to the other side. Remember, tippity tap, just a little smit. If it's ColourPop, tap it off because there's pigment. And I come in. I know I'm getting really close to my lash line, and I'm trying to treat this like a like an eyeliner. So this is how I hold my eyeliner when I'm doing my. I know it's different. It is different, but hear me out. It works. So my lashes get long, and they get in the way. Is it okay? I feel like I kind of drug it a little bit down here, but that's still okay. That looks great. I don't know, just, this mirror is nice, but because it's blurry and then that one's also blurry, I'm like, why not just use that one? Because I can't see that far because the no glasses. Anyway, this looks good. This is nice. I want to blenderoo a smidge, so let me come back with, I think it's this one I was using for Boardwalk. Just a little tap. I want my brown to come out softer. So I'm going to come and add in a little bit of the Boardwalk that I had across my whole lid. Pop it on top of the edge of the brown and kind of like mix them together. There we go. Softer. Also, I'm going to come into my bottom lash with Boardwalk. Kind of looks like I got pink eye though. Not thrilled on that. But trust the process. If need be and you don't like this much pink, come in with more of the brown. That's okay too. But I am going to come in with some shimmer towards my inner corner. I'm a little torn though. And here's why. We have Vintage Doll and then Follow the Sun. And I'm like, Vintage Doll, obviously. Vintage Doll. Perfect. But then we have Follow the Sun, and I feel like that's very Barbie glittery pink. So I'm like, of course, let's add her in here. But no, we can't. I just want to, ooh, and you know what? We could just do Shine On. That'll cut out both of the pinks, but I wanted to go for a pinky, a little bit of brown look. I'm not sure. This is where like trial runs come in handy for this kind of stuff when you're indecisive. Nah, we're gonna do Vintage Doll. This is just like a shimmer too. It's nothing, nothing too fancy. And I like to use my finger. You can use a brush. I like to use my finger. I feel like the heat and the oil really do wonders. Don't look at my nails. I know they look terrible. I did them awful. That's okay. Look at that. And then once I have it on my inner corner, I kind of like, not rub it, but like brush it out with my finger so it blends. Blends up and in, if that makes sense. So I'll come in and I stamp it on the inner corner. And then to have it come in to go everywhere else, blend with everything else, just drag it. That's it. Nothing too crazy fancy. That's it. Both sides are good? Yeah. And on this side I feel like it went a little bit too far down. That's all you gotta do. It's nothing fancy, complicated. You don't gotta cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. You'll ruin the look. But I feel like this is so far so good. Oh gosh, wipe this off. Tissue. Yeah. If you want to add more brown, you can. I'm gonna add mascara. I'm gonna see if I want to add more brown. Like I do, but I'm like at the same time, I'm like, look at that. Brown. We'll do brown mascara, and then we'll do this, which I should have brown mascara. I don't. But would that not just make this look perfect? Note to self, buy brown mascara for soft girl looks. Oh, we should do a soft girl look. Okay. Anywho, let me do this. Mascara. Which one are you? Rimmel London. Tinted lip balm. Nothing fancy. But look at this. Look at this. Hi. Hello. I'm so cute and pretty. Barbie Malibu Barbie. Barbie times ColourPop Malibu Barbie palette. Yeah? Yeah. This is not... Come here. Come here. Pull my hair down where it belongs. Okay. This is nice. I should have done my hair like a Barbie. How do Barbies just pin straight? Straight with like the little whoosh at the end. Depending on what Barbie I want to be. You can be whatever Barbie you want to be. Barbie is everything. But anyway, this isn't about Barbie. This is about the pinky eye look. And I definitely feel like if you're not going for like killer dominating central like focused eyes here, maybe do a brown mascara. I gotta get a brown mascara. Like, I know I just did an Ulta order again. But I'm gonna stop by, just get a brown mascara real quick. I thought I had one. I don't. But we'll see how this looks later on. I wonder if I could do this again, but like with a brown mascara. I don't know if I've ever used a brown mascara. These are good questions that I have for myself. Anywho, I'm just rambling. This is the finished look. Isn't she gorgeous? Isn't she lovely? I do enjoy it. I think it came out pretty good, if I do say so myself. Pinky, and it like fades too. I love the fade of the color, like very subtle. I don't even know if you'll be able to see it like on the camera, but it's very subtle. It fades up and out. I do think more brown around the lash line would have been better. So instead of this little guy, I could have came in with a liner brush. Do I have a liner brush somewhere? Or just a flat, yeah, I do. Here it is. I use this one for my bottom lashes, but anything more flat, short, just pack it on. Pack it on. It looks really nice though. I just can't help but wonder, what would a brown mascara look like with this? Like a pinky look, you know? Anywho. I'm rambling. This is a look. Hopefully I get this video shorter. We'll see. Hopefully editing me can make some magic work. But anywho, if you like this video, I have a whole eyeshadow playlist, ColourPop playlist. I even do like different eyeshadows based off of holiday, makeup based off of holidays. There's playlists all over my page. Go check them out. I'm gonna go now, but thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!